Hey everyone, it's me. My name is Sock Running and Sock with the Star. Hello people. Ho 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas? John, is Christmas coming soon?
Yeah, Christmas coming very soon.
So the holiday season is coming soon. And John, I asked you to pick out we have an abundance of Christmas socks on our website.
Yes.
But I asked you to pick out a couple animal Christmas themed socks. Can you show me the ones you picked?
Yeah. I have
Those are Christmas dogs.
Screaming Dog.
And those ones have grippies on the bottom.
Yeah.
So perfect if you're wearing them around the house.
What cat?
Christmas cats.
Screaming cat. Screaming cat.
And what's the last one? You know what? These are new.
These are brand new socks. This look great for my mom.
Yeah. Oh, for your mom. Who is that?
When daughter Reindeer, I got daughter play. On with daughter go with no big deal. I got Christy.
Christy? I'm not part of the Rudolph song. So John, if I am looking for some Christmas socks or some holiday socks to spread some holiday cheer, what website can I go to?
And Sock with the Sock.
Bye.